What's up guys, good morning, welcome back to another vlog. I hope you're all doing good. Today we are headed to a Cars and Coffee Sack car show. We got Jack in front of us right now, as you can see. Couple Mustangs. Shoot, the Audi R8 behind us. They sound pretty good. That blue one sounds pretty good behind me. This doesn't get me copyrighted, but there's some pretty cool cars over here. STOs, SVJ. Pretty nice. Thing's insane. I like that blue on it. From afar it looks white, but it's really blue. Clean. Like mean looking.
What year is this car?
Damn, green. I guess this is a dealership. A high-end dealership. There's the brand over there. High Class Auto Sales. There's like a lot of Mercedes and a Ferrari right here. That's clean. BMWs over there. It's honestly an insane warehouse. All these lights. Car person was definitely the one in charge in making this warehouse because this lighting is insane. I wonder how much they're selling this thing for. The show on here? I don't think so. The 1999 Ferrari. This is how they should have kept Ferraris, making them like this. All the older ones overpower all the new ones that are coming out. Those will be good. This is a dream car here. I mean, honestly, any Porsche with BBS on it is a dream car. Pristine. Is that manual? Oh shoot. And ducktail on it too. Mustang's pretty clean too. I love these cars though. Damn. Look what's pulling up. Damn, that red is bright. I've never seen this Ferrari. Look who it is. It's recording. Having fun there? He needs help.
Hi, buddy.
We all need help.
How are you?
Good. How's your bike?
Back together.
Beautiful. What's the bike next to it? On the left.
That guy's a black hoodie.
Mo. Pretty sure he's the host of Day 2O. A nice BMW. You can just hear how loud this thing is. God damn. I like that one more. Oh, because it's cammed.
3 days I come back here.
Flames constantly. Random planes somewhere. What is that? Oh. It's Porsche. Total track car right here.
No.
Car seats.
No, I think it's more like those like
It just,
90 guys.
It's insane.
it's just a Carrera.
I was thinking
It's a base.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a base.
Crazy SG80. Oh, extra. I only know that stuff because of finding Nick. Big turbo? Single turbo. I wonder how much this thing pushes. It's nice.
It's the return of Tony. It's your boy, AJP Media in the house.
Here. This dude. Stop kissing my camera. So a couple of them are leaving. Nice, nice. Nice. Oh, I like the back end of that one. I don't really know my Ferraris, honestly. Can you tell me about your bike?
When are you gonna be cool enough to shoot me again?
Do what?
When am I gonna be cool enough for you to shoot me again?
Whenever you invite me out.
Am I cool enough for you to shoot me now?
Yes.
Okay.
Kind of.
You shot my stock bike, but not my cool one.
Steven, Alman, Jack over there. Viper. Alman going out. Here goes Jack. It is. Well, on that note, I think it's time to go. Unfortunately, I got work, so I'm now headed to work. I hope you guys liked the video and come back for more. So.